The Seven Waterfall Trail, hidden magical beauty of inland Istria in northwest Croatia. Starting just south of the town of Buzet in northern Istria, along the course of the Mirna River, the Seven Waterfall Trails is a circular route approximately 15 kilometers long with around 370 meters of ascent, most of which is tackled in the first half of the trail.
Welcome to Seven Waterfalls Trail in northern Istria, Croatia. One of the most popular hiking trails of Istria, which is around 16 kilometers long, which is quite easy to do. And if you come in spring or in autumn, when there is enough water in the river Mirna, it's really amazing place to explore nature and, as its name says, waterfalls. It's leading next to river Mirna and smaller river Pivka, which is joining Mirna along the trail. There are a few very nice waterfalls, which during summer unfortunately often don't have water. Therefore, trail is quite easy for walking. There is just one part after Mala Peć where it becomes quite demanding because it's a lot of uphills, even held by a line. That's why it's recommended that you first go northern side, or let's say you go clockwise and come back from village Kotli on more southern side, more next to river Mirna, because otherwise you would have complicated downhill towards Mala Peć.
As the name suggests, there are 7 waterfalls along the trail, 4 on the Pivka River and 3 on the Mirna River, each a unique natural masterpiece of the karst landscape. The picturesque hamlet of Kotli is the only settlement along the trail and the most popular spot to take a break. The Kotli waterfall is located right next to the bridge, almost in the very center of the village, and the natural pools cascading one after another make it an ideal place for refreshment on warmer days.
Beside the picturesque waterfalls there is beautiful forest, trail is very well marked. You can enjoy nature of Istria, which is something on the borderline here between mountainous climate and Mediterranean, with lot of waters, rivers and streams. But as I said, it's like this during the spring or autumn, also during the winter, while in the summer it will dry out. On another side there is a lot of shadow, so even if you do this trail in the middle of the summer, it will not be so hot like some other hiking trails in Istria and rest of Croatia.